Hi, Tony Bradshaw here with AddSomeToYourIncome.com. My focus is on adding to your income, knowing and finding ways to make more money. I got an email this week from the school district. This email is causing me to think a lot. You have maybe seen similar emails at your place of employment, particularly if you are in education. The email, I've never seen one like this before from the school district, and I've been here, 8 years now? 9? So the email said, if you'll let us know by March 31st that you are going to be gone in the fall for whatever reason, we will pay you an extra $500. Wait, what? What did they just say? Okay, wait. How do I get $500? Like, I leave? Are you telling me I should go and you're gonna give me $500 on the way if I say early that I'm gonna be gone? That's all right. Why? Like, are you wanting me to leave? Do you love people who are leaving, and so you want that to happen, or what's going on here, right? These thoughts are going through my mind. Like, that's $500, right? That's $500, and I'm the add some to your income guy. Let me just put a little bit into context here. I am in the 50th lowest paid state of the 51 states. We might have hit 49th a couple years ago, I think, right? I'm sitting here in Idaho, and we have the lowest pay. If I were to go to my neighboring state, Wyoming, I'd get $10,000 more per year. I'm the add some to your income guy. I need you to know I've thought about this, I've looked at it, and it's possible. So I get this email this week. If I say, hey, I'm going to Wyoming, I'm out of here. This place has been great. I love it. I want to be here. And you just gave me the tipping point to get out of here. I want you as a listener here on this video to know that these choices will happen. And I'm weighing this out. I'm talking it through right now here on this video. And the main thing that keeps coming back to my mind is to not always make decisions based on making a $500 bonus now for leaving. The decision on making money will come from another. I'm making this video to talk about ways to add to your income, to put this into my channel about ways to add to your income. The obvious, simple, cut, dry answer is sure, leave. 10,000 more at the state next door, $500 moving bonus. Yeah, I'm out of here. The less obvious is I live a life on purpose. It hasn't been my purpose to go to windy Wyoming, as it's called. It's my purpose. I actually find kind of a weird, interesting, I guess you could almost call it a sick enjoyment of being in the lowest paid position, in the lowest paid state that I can think of for the degree that I have. It's like this weird thing for me. I sometimes, I talk about money, and I'm here discussing money, and it's like my weakness. It's the thing that I've done stupid things with before. Like, I remember the time that I loaned someone $6,000 with almost zero collateral, like just a piece of paper. Right? They didn't pay it back. The parts were paid back for a little bit, and then all of a sudden they didn't have work, and then they went missing, and I don't have all that money back. I made another stupid mistake once with my wife's artwork. She had finished an artwork piece, and the person was supposed to pay me money. I gave them the artwork before they gave them money, and then like this became this really awkward thing because both coworkers. This was not in school. This was a while ago when I wasn't yet in education. Both coworkers, uh, both coworkers that used to be married and had a child had divorced, and the one who got the artwork kept saying the other one would pay for the artwork, and I'd never had any conversation with the other one about the artwork at all. It had only been with this one, and it just got to be this like weird thing. We ended up finding a way to ourselves to make it creative. Of course, we write it off. Like, we're not collecting on this. I've followed up. The payment's not coming. But we immediately found a way to spin it to show the process because we'd gotten a picture from this person who didn't pay later, who gave me that picture. I have documented evidence. It was emailed to me. I then it's on me. It totally is. I shouldn't have handed over the artwork before getting the money. Please learn from my lesson there. And whew, yeah, I'm sorry, wife. Anyway, so the thing that we did was we took the process. We showed this was the original picture. Here's when it was just sketched. Here's when it was partway through. This is when the fitting. And we put this all on the website. We should like let's show you what she's capable of doing. You turn in this picture, it becomes this art masterpiece through this process. So we felt like we were actually able to make something of it. And again, I had these email conversations back and forth showing that same, this is where we're at the process. It's sketched at this point. How do you like it? Here's where it is now. How do you like it? Here's the finished product. Is this a go? It's a go. All right, great. And then I stupidly hand over the stuff. So as I was saying way back when, I was talking about how I am on purpose. I'm in a place that I know the people I work with. I know the routines. I have a very supportive PTA, which makes the things that I do in my classroom possible. I've built up where I'm at, and I'm living a very purposeful life with a certain destination, with a certain plan. And part of that plan is to fulfill my magnus opus at the place that I'm at, to finish my, as I say in German, Werk. It's my work, it's my work, this is my big project. Now, as an economist, I also know that there is the need to realize I put all this work in, and if I put more into it in the future, is it worth more than $500? Yes. The purpose of my life, the ability, I'm imagining, okay, right now I have this set up. I can stand here and say this video. If I all of a sudden decide to move to Wyoming, I'm going to lose out on time somewhere to pack my bags, find a house, ship everyone, transplant. And when do we do that? Is that summer? Go find a job somewhere else? I'm not taking that up. Now, if I had been like right at the point where I could retire, and then I was already thinking I'm going to retire in the fall, and I get this, I'm going to be like, okay, yeah, let me put this letter together. It's now time for my retirement. Thank you so much. I've had a great time. Make sure this is in by March 31st because, and I can quote that. Here's this, and yeah, of course. Do it. And of course, I see where the district's coming from. I mean, they didn't say it. We actually just got an email. This was just minutes ago. That the superintendent was apologizing. Like, sorry that we didn't mean to make people think we're in trouble financially. We're just making plans. Other districts do this too. We thought it'd be a nice little bonus. Like, sorry, we love you guys. We want you to stay teaching. Stay if you're staying, but if you're making other plans, it helps, and we will still pay. It was this awkward email, like apology, and things like that happen. It's just that's today. That's happening right now. Wow. So as for me, as I'm saying, there's a time to leave that $500 sitting on the table. Leave that there. I value the position I'm in. I value the spot I'm at. I value my ability to teach through the day and get to this point where I can make these videos and where my life is at. I'm not ready to be job hunting, house hunting, state hunting. What state pays the most money? I want to move there. I, that's not where I'm at. That's not where I want to be. I'm okay that I'm growing where I am. One other thought on my mind about this $500. There's still like a small possibility that that could become something. And that's what's so interesting about money. And knowing $500 is sitting there and I'm on teacher's salary, it almost eats at you, you know? Like, am I gonna be able to sleep tonight? Because that's $500. And it makes you think about it. As I said, not planning on putting my resignation. I'm planning to continue doing the work that I'm doing on the books that I'm working on, the other things that I'm creating, this that I'm creating. I'm focusing on that. I see it as an option. It's not one I asked for. I didn't go to the district office and say, hey, guess what? I'm leaving and I'm going to retire. And if I tell you guys I'm leaving by March 31st, how about you give me $500, right? So this isn't something I'm seeking after. And that's where you really make your money. When you're going after what it is that you know will add to your income and it's something you want to do and you do it. There's going to be other distractions. There's going to be other $500. 500 this, 500 that, 500 that. And how do you find yourself able to focus on moving forward with your plan? You know where you're going. You know how you're increasing your income, and you do those actions even when other money is offered. You make your decisions, I'm making mine, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.